Vietnam was waking up. After months of COVID lockdown, the streets were coming back to life. And my friend Jude experienced the first taste of coffee after months and months. We were right there with him, sharing every sip, every smile, and every moment. This wasn't just a coffee tour, this was freedom in a cup.
Our first stop, Café Lam, a Hanoi institution since 1952. This place has seen history unfold from its doorstep. As Jude took his first sip, the look on his face said it all. The warmth, the familiarity, it was more than just coffee. It was a piece of his old life returning.
Next, we wound through the hidden alleys of Hanoi to find Café John, home of the famous egg coffee. Creamy, rich, almost like dessert in a cup. All good coffee is down an alley, he said. This wasn't just about the drink, it was about the journey to find it.
Then another hidden gem, Café Din. Up a narrow staircase, this was the kind of place where locals gathered, where stories were told over strong, bold coffee. Jude sipped slowly, letting the moment sink in. It was the return of something he thought he had lost.
Our final stop, Son Sa Phi. But this was different. The walls told a story. Photos of war, memories of a time that shaped Vietnam. This coffee shop wasn't just about drinks, it was about history. As Jude looked around, we knew this was a moment to pause, to reflect. Long after the last sip, the conversation stayed with us. This wasn't just a coffee tour. It was something much deeper.
If you enjoyed this music video postcard, be sure to check out what we've selected for you on the next screen. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for coming. We'll see you again real soon.